Let's be real for a minute. Figuring out what to cook every single day can be stressful and exhausting, especially if you're cooking for other people and children. Between fussy eaters, calorie counting, different dietary requirements, allergies, budgetary constraints, it's a never-ending challenge. But what if I told you that AI could help? Now, it can't replace us, but what it can do is take care of some of those boring, repetitive tasks and let you focus on what really matters, spending time with your family and friends and getting some time back for yourself. Hallelujah. So in today's video, I'm going to deep dive into how AI-powered meal planning can save you time, reduce stress, and even help you eat better, if that's what you want. So I'm going to show you the best AI tools for meal planning, grocery shopping, saving money, and I have a little trick for you, which is basically going to do all of this in a couple of minutes, and it is a total game changer. So keep watching. There are a number of AI-powered apps out there that can generate meal plans based on your preferences, your dietary requirements, and even what you have in your fridge. Some of the best AI-powered apps include Mealtime, which is just great for busy families and you can customize the meal plans. Whisk lets you save recipes from literally anywhere, so any website, and it will generate shopping lists for you. BBC Good Food Recipe app. Now this has thousands and thousands of recipes on there and you can save your favourite ones, put them in special folders and organise them all, and there's a paid version as well, which actually isn't too much. I think you can do an offer like 99p for the first 3 months currently, and that will generate shopping lists as well for you. Now I'm personally a big fan of ChatGPT because I can just generate meal plans so fast according to lots of different categories and requirements, and more coming up on that in a minute. So once your meal plan is ready, AI can also help you with your shopping. Many of these apps will automatically generate for you a shopping list, so you don't have to go writing out every single item that's needed for all these different meals. And some apps, like Whisk or BBC Good Food, will even send those shopping lists to supermarkets like Tesco's, Asda, Sainsbury's, saving you even more time. And something that I really like to do, so I have an Alexa app, and over the course of the week, as I run out of something, I'll say, Alexa, can you add toothpaste to the shopping list? So when I come to do my online shop each week, I have my meal plan and I have my shopping list in Alexa for all things that aren't in my meal plan, the other household items that I need. I put it straight into my online shop. It takes me a couple of minutes and it's done. Super fast. So AI isn't just about saving you time, it's also about saving you money. And AI can help you find the best deals on the current grocery prices. And a couple of really great AI-powered sites include trolley.co.uk, where you can compare prices across the different supermarkets. So if you put in one item, it will tell you which supermarkets stock it and what they're charging today. So you can find out who's doing the best deal for what you're trying to buy. Another one is Super Cook, and this suggests meals based on what you've already got in your home, which reduces food waste. So if you get to the end of the week and you look in the fridge and there's not a lot in there, you can put those ingredients into Super Cook and it will give you recipes based on those, which is great. By using AI to track down the best deals and avoid unnecessary spending, you can cut down on cost without sacrificing quality meals. The game changer with ChatGPT. Now, if you're like me and things are a little bit more complicated, you've got a meat eater, a vegan, your kids are fussy eaters, you both work full time and so you have no time to cook and it's really stressful. I have got a framework for you to put into ChatGPT, the free version, so it's not going to cost you anything. I'm going to give you a link to the document in the description so you can copy and paste, and I'm going to talk you through it now, so it is super simple. So let me show you the magic. So I've created this document for you to keep things really simple and quick. The link for it will be below in the description. If you open it up, make a copy and save that to your own desktop or on your phone. And so there's a template here And it's super simple. I've put in green here the sections for you to fill out with some instructions. So you can just delete the green bits, fill out your information, copy and paste. And so underneath I've done an example as well, which we're going to use now so I can show you how simple it is. Then we'll go across to chatgpt.com, and it is super quick and simple to set up an account if you don't have one. So it'll literally take you a minute. You should be brought onto this page where it's ready for you to just paste it in and press enter, or else you can just click here and do a new chat. So I'm going to paste the information that I've just copied from my document. Let's have a quick check through, and I have put the role. So I want you to act as a chef and nutritionist. The input. So I've broken this down into some subheadings. So context. We are a family of 4, including a 3 and 6-year-old. One adult is a pescatarian, one adult is a meat eater. My 6-year-old is a very fussy eater and prefers carb-based dishes. Nutritional information. Health is vital to us. While the kids are picky eaters, we always try to have 2 to 3 different vegetables with each meal. A protein-rich and nutritious meal is important to us. We aim to keep meals around 400 to 600 calories during the week for the adults and relax more on a weekend. Time limitations. So we are busy full-time working parents. During the week, meals need to be quick, 15 to 30 minutes. At the weekend, 30 to 45 is fine, and we're happy to bake and enjoy involving the kids as well. Our weekly shopping budget is around £140 to £160, and we typically order online or at Sainsbury's. So that's the input. The steps and execution. So provide a meal plan for 1 week of evening meals in a table format. Include the calorie and macro breakdown. Consider costs and time efficiencies that can be made. Provide a shopping list for the week within a PDF. Check the supermarkets and current offers and suggest the cheapest store based on my shopping list, highlighting any discounts or deals. Provide this information in a PDF document, keeping information organised and concise. So let's see what happens. Just while it's having to think about that, because we've given it a lot of different variables. There we go. What you could also do as an extra tip is if you have favourite recipe books, you could note those in here as well. So if there's, maybe you've got 2 or 3 recipe books that you like to take the recipes out of, put a note in there. Say, can you pick recipes from these books or this chef? Okay, so based on your family's dietary preferences, health goals, time constraints and budget, I crafted a 1-week evening meal plan that accommodates both pescatarian and meat-eating adults, as well as child-friendly dishes. So it's just reiterating what I've asked it really. So it includes 2 to 3 vegetables and maintains an average of 400 to 600 calories per adult serving. And the plan is designed for quick preparation during weekdays and slightly longer cooking times on weekends, allowing for family involvement in cooking and baking activities. So that's really great. It's clearly understood what I've asked it. And then it's given us this table here. So we've got Monday to Sunday 1 week, and we've got our meal description, calories for the adult serving, and then because I asked for the macro breakdown, it's given me the protein, carbohydrates and fat, and also the preparation time there as well. So if you're on some sort of diet, say you want more protein or maybe you want more carbs this week, you can be quite specific about what you need. And so it can tailor these meal plans to exactly what you want. So this is why it works for not just families, but also even if you're on your own, but you want some inspiration and you've got some really kind of strict requirements or really specific requirements, this is also going to work great. Or if there's 2 of you that you're cooking for, you've got different preferences, this is also going to work really well. And so the meal descriptions are, let's see, we've got grilled salmon with quinoa and broccoli, whereas the meat eater has chicken, and then they're given the kids cheesy pasta with hidden vegetables. Clever. And then we've got veg stir fry with one with tofu, one with beef, and the kids have also got the rice there with vegetables, and it goes on. And if you're not happy with this, just go back and say, can you please change this recipe? I don't like tacos, or I'd rather not do fish on a Sunday. Can you change it to a roast? So, and you can just ask it to update until you get this exactly as you want it. And it'll just take a few minutes. And then underneath, it's giving me the shopping list. So the proteins, vegetables needed, and the pantry staples. And then underneath, this is great. So it's given me some recommendations of where the cheapest options are to buy this, saying that Sainsbury's and Ocado currently have higher prices. So it's looked at the latest news and said in February this month, Aldi is the cheapest supermarket. So we don't have it yet, but it won't be long before this will then say your cheapest option is to go to Aldi or Asda, and it will be able to literally identify every single price for every single item on your shopping list and calculate where the cheapest place to get it. We will not be far off that at all. And then underneath that, we've got current offers and discounts. So it's been quite general here, but you can be more specific and ask trolley.co.uk that we spoke about as well. So one thing it hasn't done is give me the PDF document with all this information in. So I'm just going to ask for that again, but it does quite often need asking a couple of times. So let's just try again with this. Please create a PDF with the shopping list and weekly menu in its table format. Okay. No, see, it's still not done it. As I say, sometimes it takes a couple of times. So I'm just going to cancel there and go back into this and try again. Create a PDF document with the shop. So actually, do you know what we're just going to say? This is not a PDF document. Please try again. And you can literally speak to this as you would to anybody. You don't need to be precise with your grammar or any fancy wording. It's really quite clever on recognising what you need most of the time. So it's done it this time. This is what I find with ChatGPT. You have to ask twice. So just a little tip there, don't be disheartened if it doesn't work the first time, just try again. So we can download that. Okay, and so this is the document that it's kicked out. It did take a couple of times, but it does get there. So just ask it to try again. So it's given this really great little table format here. Still not completely perfect with the lines, but it's all there. And then we've got our shopping list here. So it's just put them back to back here instead of in a list. And so we have everything there, done, dusted. And how long did that take? So fast. Aside the asking it a couple of times for a PDF, it's really, really fast and quick. And as I say, if you're not happy with the meals that it's given you, just ask it to change. Can you change Monday? I don't like salmon. Can you make Sunday a roast dinner? So you can see what I mean. You can change this and just get it right. And it literally will take you a few more minutes. So super quick, super fast. And then all you need to do is pop this into your online order and you're away. So I'm just coming back into ChatGPT for a minute. Let's ask it for the recipes. There we go. So it's given us really simple cooking instructions. And you could ask it to be more detailed if you want to. And again, you can ask it to add this into the PDF. And as I say, if you've got some favourite cookery books, You can ask it to reference the recipes that it's found there. So you can see now how this just brings everything together, and you can really tailor it to what you want and your preferences. And if things are more complicated for you, like most of us, this is just brilliant. Welcome to the magic of ChatGPT. So in the description below, you'll find a link to this document. Go into the link, copy and paste the document, change the details to your own, copy and paste that into ChatGPT, and voila. So there you have it, personalised meal plans in minutes, automated shopping lists and online orders, saving money by optimising those meal plans with grocery deals, and that framework for you to take away with you. So that is the best AI meal hacks to save you time, money, and stress. If you would like to know more about how AI can help with your everyday life, hit subscribe. I'm Lisa Cawthorne. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.